Hi everyone, this is my YouTube channel Priyanka Tutorials. In the last video, we have discussed about linear and non-linear differential equation, and before that we have studied about order and degree of any differential equation. In linear and non-linear concept, I have told you that if the degree of any differential equation is 1, hence that equation will be linear differential equation. So here we have categorized our order and degree as 1 both for a differential equation. So here that means we will study about linear differential equation, first order and first degree. To solve this first order and first degree differential equation, we have 4 methods to solve. First is variable separable. Second is homogeneous method. Or homogeneous equation also we can say it. Third is exact differential equation method. Fourth is linear differential equation method. You can say them method also and differential equation also. So in this video we will start from variable separable method. One by one I will teach about every method or every differential equation. So the first thing is, what is variable separable equation or method? If I talk about variable separable method, as its name itself sound, variable separable, that means in this method we need to separate our variables. Suppose I have any equation like this, f1 g1 f2 y g2 x equal to 0. So by variable separable method I need to separate function of x one side and function of y another side. So this equation will be equal to f2 y g2 x. If I collect function of x one side and function of y another side, so it will be like this. Now I need to solve this dE, so I will do integration on the both sides. This is the basic concept of variable separable method, and to solve any differential equation we just need to separate our variables on either side, and then after we just need to integrate it. So if I have a question, suppose it is x minus 4 y raised to the power 4 dx minus x cube y square minus 3 dy equal to 0. I need to solve this differential equation with the help of variable separable method. So what I need to do in this equation, I will separate function of x on the one side of the equation and function of y on the either side of the equation. So on doing this process, I do like this. So what will happen? I took this x cube this side with dx and this y raised to the power 4 on the other side of the equation 4 dy. Now I have to integrate this equation. So what it will be? It will be 1 by x square integration dx. So what is its integration? It's 1 minus 1 by x minus 4 integration of 1 by x cube. So its integration will be, when I will take this x cube up in the numerator, so its integration will be minus 2. So its value will be minus 1 by 2 x square. So it is 2x square, and it is minus also, so it will be positive, equal to, similarly here when we will separate this, it will be 1 upon y square. When we integrate it, we will get minus 1 by y, minus 3 integration of y 1 upon y raised to the power 4. So its integration will be y raised to the power minus 3 by 3. It's 3 y raised to the power 3 equal to plus c. So now for its solution, what we can do, we can take these function on one side and remaining c on the other side, or we can take a whole equation on the one side and we can put it equal to 0. This is the final solution of this differential equation by variable separable method. So it is very easy to solve. Let's see another question. Question is 4xy dx plus x square plus 1 dy equal to 0, and I need to solve this equation with the help of variable separable method. So for this, what I have to do, I need to separate the variables. So it will be equal to negative of x square plus 1 into dy. It will be 4x upon x square plus 1 into dx equal to 1 upon y dy. To solve this, I will do integration. For this, I need to take x square plus 1 equal to any variable. Suppose it is 2. When I integrate it, it will be 2x dx by dt. So the value of x dx will be 1 by 2 dt by t, and its integration, I can write it as it is. So it will be 2 ln mod t equal to negative of ln mod y plus ln c. Now I need to put the value of this t. Value of this one is x square plus 1, and its value will be ln c by mod y. If I want, I can take e raised to the power or exponential function on the both sides, so it will be c by y. This is the solution of this equation. So it is very easy to solve. Like this, we have to solve the questions. I am giving you some question, you just try yourself. Question is x sin y dx plus x square plus 1 cos y dy equal to 0. Second is cosec y dx plus sec y dy equal to 0. And last is e raised to the power u plus 1 into cos u du plus e raised to the power v sin u plus 1 into d equal to 0. These three questions are very easy to solve using this variable separable method, because you know integration and you know how to separate variables, so it is very easy. For this video, it is sufficient. In the next video, I will teach you to reduce any equation in variable separable form or reducible variable separable form.